go?
Yeah, we see it.
So the first one solution is consultation contact center for Creatio. So be in touch with your clients, creating a single database and keeping all contact data and communication history. You conduct anonymous consultations to give your potential customer the best experience. You can even copy search parameters into the client's profile in case one's partially missing there. So Banza solution will help you to monitor effectiveness of managers, to distribute calls among groups of operators automatically, and improve your banking service with a powerful consultation panel. The solution helps to find and identify clients, to provide them with the detailed information on the product or service they need, or easily submit an application or request. So for example, I can choose the credits topic on consultation and to give the consultation to my client who's on the call on the products of the bank. You can manage requests, queues, resolve cases, and conduct timely communication here. You can configure tabs, consultation topics, and even search fields in the consultation panel in order to search by phone, passport, or SSN of the client. When operators finish consultation, they save the results into client's profile for further analysis and usage during the next consultation of the client. As you can also, you can add telephone and video calls and chatbot virtual assistants to use client most preferable communication channels. As you can see here, we can have any groups and topics in the consultation panel, and it can be customized with the time of changing inside the company. So, yeah, consultation is solved. So, just a second. Yeah. Now, when you've done a perfect consultation, we propose you to automate lending process with Banza Retail Lending for Creatio. Reduce time to yes to 15 minutes. Yes, it's a real case. It's neither marketing promo nor a magic. Our intelligent product contains tools to accelerate setup of various objects without a developer. So we have welcomed our existing client in the branch. We looked for his profile with his phone number he saved to us and started consultation on a new loan product he's interested in. At the first stage of our loan origination process, we need to process the application. As the cloud could be many loan products in the bank, we need to choose the exact one in the application. We also state initial product parameters like the amount of money the customer wishes to get and the number of months he wishes to take it for. And on the next stage of a loan origination process, we need to fill out a questionnaire with additional personal information that will be used during the validation stage. For example, we need to state that a client provided proof of income with a screenshot from the bank account. We also stated the amount of salary we can see there. And in order to confirm the questionnaire, our solution gives user a hint that mobile number verification is needed. We send OTP code to the customer mobile number and validate it in an ordinary way, confirming the code via operator. After successful verification of a mobile number, the status of the customer's application was changed to validation. At this stage, the consultation of a client is postponed till the decision on his case will be processed and received. Meanwhile, our customer can have some cup of coffee and wait until the decision will be made. So our solution at the first point performed auto checks by stock factors and forwarded the application to a blind queue for processing by decision-making departments. And verifiers open the next application from the blind queue in special interface focused on questions that need to be verified at the moment. So after the verification is complete, verifier approves the application and the decision on that application. When we have the decision by decision-making department, the loan specialist received the notification and may continue a consultation of client on further steps. So First of all, he needs to communicate with the client the amount and term the loan was approved for, because some applications can be not eligible for a certain product, and verifiers can make a counteroffer to a client. So if the client agrees on terms and conditions, the loan was approved, the application will move to a stage of document preparation. We can see here the counteroffer on the screen, and we say that client confirms it. From that point, we start the stage of paperwork. This stage is automated as well, so each product of a bank can have its own list of documents that should be provided by a client on this stage. Some of these documents should be provided without a signature, others should be signed. All these cases and many others can be configured inside our solution based on the methodology of the client, of a bank, and the local legacy. Loan specialists don't need to remember these demands. The only thing a loan specialist should bother about is to generate the pre-configured list of documents for each application, receive them from a client, attach scanned copies to an application, print contract and application form, which actually populated with data from the system, confirm that document is a proper quality and scanned copy is of a proper quality, and upload the signed contract or application form as well. Confirm that the signature is according to the ID of the client. So everything, every cases of normal loan origination process is inside the solution already. So we just upload here the application. Oh, okay, consent. No, let's upload application. And that's it. We can say that document is confirmed, and we can complete the stage where we say that documents were signed. So after this stage, documents are attached, and the application moves to the final stage, which is disbursement. In our example, we used an option to disburse loan to a card. After that, money will be transferred to a stated card, and the loan contract changes its status to active. Actually, yeah, that's it. Our time to yes and time to cash stages are completed, and the loan specialist can close the client's consultation on a new loan product. So he said the result of consultation seemed as solved. Streamline the full cycle of processes from loan application to grant decision and disbursement. And let's imagine that client forgot to make repayment in terms of a signed contract. His profile should be processed by a debt collection department whose work is automated by, collection for Creatio. Is a ready-to-use solution that provides automation of standard and unique debt collection strategies at all stages, like pre-soft, hard, legal collection. Collection for Creatio is one of the most efficient solutions for banks, MFIs, distribution, logistics, and service companies. The solution allows you to manage debt collection strategies of different customer segments at all stages. So you can set up various actions on all stages of strategy execution: short message, task, call, email, start process, send chatbot message. You can choose when the stage of a strategy should be executed: 10 days overdue or by a trigger, for example. And that's how we do this inside the interface. So strategy steps templates configuration allows you to preset a reuse similar steps among different strategies with no need of configuring them from the scratch every time you need it. For example, you can configure automatic creation of a task and populate it with data of a debtor and account manager who needs to complete this task. So we just save it, and you can save it as a template and then fill from template next time you need it. You can configure results processing options for current stage and business logic of what stage should be the next based on the results of previous one. Yeah, so that's actually for the stage. And you can even customize an unlimited number of strategies, configure an unlimited number of strategies, experiment, compare the results, and choose the best. An important data generated during the strategy execution is saved in the profile, the debtor's profile. total debt amount, debtor's recognition date, contracts, history of promises, list of strategies debtor is in, and what stage. Possibly, it is possible to save a court decision in the debtor's profile as well. It will allow you to save history of all court decisions and use them to set up strategies for working at legal collection stages. Execution of strategies based on calls to a client is automated via queues. For example, we see the soft collection strategy queue with our debtor in it. This means we have to call him and process a current task of a strategy. When we open his profile, we see that he is 10 days overdue. So we call our client and ask him about his previous promises to pay and when he is going to pay now. So promises to pay can be recorded upon dialogue with the debtor. Responsible employee can build a next dialogue with client based on the promises and repayments the client really made, not only promised. Moreover, our solution performs automatic monitoring of the fulfillment of payment promises. So now the system monitors the implementation of collection strategies for each deal and debtor. And the task of the collection department is to follow the analytics and make data-based decisions. Yeah, so I think I tried my best to do this fast. And thank you, and let's make it easy.